Attention! If you or a loved one was diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be entitled to financial compensation.
What's up, YouTube? I don't remember how to film videos here. Back again after a very prolonged hiatus. And yeah, it feels weird. I mean, I've filmed videos in this new apartment, I think in March, April, like videos that I'm actually physically in. And I deleted all of them because I thought they were fucking garbage. And here we are. I mean, you guys know absolutely nothing that's been going on, except for those of you who occasionally peep my emo live streams. But yeah, we are doing a new pickups video. There's not really a whole lot of stuff in this new pickups video, to be honest. There's a couple of packages I was supposed to receive in the mail, and I have not received them. Also, if the lighting is complete trash or I'm out of frame, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to work on that because I've probably only filmed in this corner like 4 or 5 times, and that's pretty much about it, and none of those videos ever saw the light of day. But anyway, enough rambling. Also, before we get started, still here, probably retiring it though, but I know if I didn't show this, you guys would lose your minds. So anyway, moving on, we got this vintage Harley Davidson racing jacket right here, and this is a size medium, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a medium, and it fits me all right. It has like a corduroy collar right here on the inside, and it has the Harley Davidson logo embroidered on the front. Little zipper. It's almost somewhat like a bomber, I guess, and it doesn't fit kind of how I would personally prefer it to fit, so I'm not really sure whether or not I'm just gonna sell this or just keep it in my closet and never wear it, because yeah, the fit's kind of unique. It's pretty hot in here, even though I have the AC running, so maybe I'll throw it on, maybe I won't. Only the finest of content after vanishing for a long time. And next up, we have this North Korea skate team white tee. Shout out to Trevor for sending some stuff over. We have his shorts right here with the North Korea skate team logo right there, and then again on the other leg right here. And I don't know if all this stuff is still on the site or if it's sold out. I mean, I was honestly gonna buy one of the decks, but I never did. If it's still available, guess I will. Gotta support. And we got this crew neck, which is dummy thick, and you can definitely not wear this in the summertime. I don't know why. I thought it was gonna be a lot thinner, but it's actually has a really good structure to it, and it has the same pretty much font as all the other items. I can't even tell if that's in focus or not. But yeah, really cool right here. But I've been wearing the tee quite a lot. I probably should get another one because this one's probably gonna be musty by the end of the summer. And next, moving on, we have this AtTheMoment long sleeve right here. We've got the graphic on the front right there, and it has this little patch right there on the right sleeve. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. And we have this all like green, I was gonna say olive, this isn't olive, this forest green, pine green AtTheMoment tee with this big silver head on the front, and then an orange ATM design font right there, and the back is blank. And I was supposed to film this quite a long time ago, so I know the meme's kind of dead, but he did make, my boy John, who runs the brand AtTheMoment, he did make an Area 51 meme tee when the meme first came out. So yeah, my bad for being late on filming a video on it, but it's still pretty funny. Got this right here. This one's still new. I haven't tried this one on yet. And next we have another ATM tee. This one being the Manifest tee. And yeah, this one's really sick. This is a really unique graphic right here. And something to be mentioned, my boy John, who runs ATM, is actually having like an end of summer sale. I believe the discount is 30% off, but it will be applied like once you're checking out, like once you have everything in your cart and you're about to check out. So I would highly recommend checking out the site right now because he does have a lot of really cool stuff on there, and might as well drop it right now. I do have some potential collabs or potential, whether they're videos, maybe they're clothing. I'm not gonna fully divulge that information, but I will be visiting my homie John and kind of showing you his workshop. He runs a screen printing business on the side as well as doing ATM, and they just do a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm really excited to show you what he's doing. Everything is in California. He's based in San Diego. So I'll actually drop links to that as well. Like if any of you are interested in making your own brands potentially, whether you need embroidery work, whether you need screen printing work, and whether you just want to, you know, support local business, I will drop all that information in the description and comment section below. And funny enough, if you're wondering why my hair looks a bit longer, even though it's kind of flat because I was wearing a hat, so I kind of ruined all the volume that it had, it's because I'm not in the Marine Corps anymore. It's not something I ever really talk about on YouTube, but some of you have been asking whether or not I re-enlisted. I did not. But as a parting gift to myself, when I'm 50 and really washed up, I guess I can wear this with my VA card in hand to get discounts. Guess that'll be cool. I don't know, but yeah, I bought this too. But I also got some other stuff, not clothing related. I'm not gonna fully get into it because I have a channel for this shit too. But this is where the money's been going. Haven't been buying clothes really. Been buying cards. Stacking up on cards right now, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I have a whole channel with Yu-Gi-Oh unboxings and shit. Like, I don't even know where, dude, this whole year has been fucking weird. I vanish after having like an insanely high point in my YouTube career, I guess you could call it. You know, I was doing really well with the offensive videos and I kind of just peaced out. But yeah, I mean, I do have some other stuff, like I said, that I will be showcasing in the near future, some other pickups that unfortunately didn't make it on time, so I could put them in this video. But yeah, go hit up Trevor's brand, North Korea skate team. Highly recommend you check out the decks that he just released. I'm pretty sure there's not that many of them made. I know the size 8s, I think, for the deck, the 8-inch boards. I'm pretty sure those are gone already, but if you want bigger sizes, he has those available. Hit up my boy, my boy John from AtTheMoment. If you want any screen printing done, if you want any of that done, it's all in San Diego County. And like I said, go check out his sale as well for his brand AtTheMoment. Currently 30% off from today all the way until I think this Friday, and today is Tuesday, August something, 27th. I got no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. But it does feel good to be back for now. How long will this last? I have no idea, but I really do appreciate all of you who still continue to you know, just talk with me, tell me that you missed the content. Really do appreciate it. So you guys are kind of the reason why I'm back, because yeah, if I cared about the financial side of this, I would have been doing it every month, but instead I just, yeah, let's just say I burnt a lot of bridges by leaving. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for all the continued support. Some fashion shit will be on the way, and yeah, peace out, YouTube. Where's my water at? Fucking hot, bro.